Hello guys.
Today's video is going to be very simple and practical.
I will show you step by step how I trade from start to win. First of all, you can see that my account is already open and the pair is also already selected. I always start by checking my account balance. Market movement and overall condition are very important. Now the next step is to check the indicator. Here I open the indicator that I personally use. This indicator helps us understand the market direction and strength. Now let me explain briefly how this indicator works. When price is near the upper band, the market is overbought, sell chance. When price is near the lower band, the market is oversold, buy chance.
When price is in the middle,
the market is neutral. Now I place my trade according to the indicator signal. Here I am getting a clear signal, so I am confidently taking a buy trade. Remember, trading is not magic. No one becomes a successful trader in one day. You need consistency. You need discipline. And most importantly, patience. If you are ready to learn, success will definitely come. And as you can see, our first trade is win. Now let's move to the next step. I select a new pair to take the second trade. Here I am selecting my pair, AUD. And now we are going to place a sell trade on this pair. And here you go, the second trade is also win. If you also want signals and daily trades like this, I provide free signals on my Telegram. There you will get proper entry timing and guidance. Link is in the description. Join now and start smart trading. See you in the next video.